Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss new problem of laptop. I have a laptop Dell Latitude A6430. Its problem is I am attaching the new hard drive, but laptop drives only one option for attach hard drive. I will show you how to insert second hard drive in your laptop. I am using this Caddy and solves the problem. Are you new in my channel? Please subscribe, share, comments and like. This video continue. Please watching complete video.
I give you my heart.
This laptop. Windows is starting now. How are you looking? The Windows is open now, and I will show you the one hard drive is installed this time, but it's full, and I am attached a second hard drive in 1 TB. I will show you. This is 1 TB hard drive, and I am using this second drive Caddy, and I am solved the problem. I have not changed first drive. I am insert second hard drive in this laptop. This is Dell Latitude A6430 Core i5. First shut down the laptop, and this is the option of ROM drive. I will remove it, and I am open for this casing. This is a screwdriver, this is a screws. I am insert this hard drive in this box. This is tight, and tight the screws, and tight the all screws. I'm tied all the screws, and this is open, and I am open this ROM. This is the laptop ROM, and I am remove this front cover. I remove it, and I am attach this cover in this box. I am use this. I am attach this in the ROM side. It's look like CD-ROM, but this is not CD-ROM. This is the second hard drive box. This is CD-ROM. I have removed this front cover for his beauty, and it's not looking ugly for inside and outside. Then I am start and show you the hard drive laptop and going to BIOS. I will show you the second hard drive. This is the system information option. Are you looking for 500 hard drive? Is first inside, and I am attached 1000 GB 1 TB hard drive attached modular bare device, and exit for it, and booting option is I am boot 500 hard drive, and I will show you and making the partition of 1 TB hard drive and show you the partitions. Windows is open now, and do you looking the new partition is showing in my Windows. This is the 3 partitions, and this is the all 3 partitions in this laptop. Friend, I will tell you and show you the second hard drive attaching problem solved. Do you have partition problem, space problem, any type of problem in your hard drive, and you are attaching the second hard drive in your laptop? This is the best option, is attach second hard drive in your laptop. Thank you in my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.